Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Nipomo local and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the stress out of your move, our expert movers help make your long-distance move a lot easier. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. The best moving services help make all the difference, and our staff offer just what you require for your upcoming relocation. We take care of all the required moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the price when choosing a California moving company. A local moving company provides many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. The time savings you gain can easily make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Movers may also ensure you don't need to stress over injury because you will not have to do any heavy lifting. Our experienced movers provide effectiveness with each and every move. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a structured solution for moving day. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can easily get it done quick. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Nipomo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.